To delete quarantined files in Malwarebytes, start by opening the Malwarebytes application on your computer. From the main interface, navigate to the Detection History section. Once there, click on the Quarantined Items tab to view all files that have been isolated by the software. Quarantining isolates potential harmful files, preventing them from affecting your system. Review the list of quarantined items and check the boxes next to the files you want to delete. After selecting the files, look for the option to delete them permanently. Confirm the action, and the files will be removed from quarantine and deleted from your system, ensuring that no threats will remain.